Έλα και πάνω.
See where I hit it?
Πώς έρε Παναγία? Το πλήσε.
Is this what you're looking again? Yeah. Oh, look.
Τελείωσε.
Νόμιζα ήτανε μπαμ-μπαμ. Άσε το θέλω να πάω αλεύει θα κάνεις.
Ω, και ο Γιάννης το θα ρίξει.
Good job.
Γιάννη.
Ω, Γιάννη.
Yeah.
Πρόσεξε Γιάννη, μη μας κάνει shoot.
Listen, do not aim at the high pumpkin. Why? Because you're gonna miss and fucking kill somebody 2 miles away.
Is this got a big kickback or what?
It's got a good little one. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's well balanced.
Hey, listen. Hold on. Here. Hold. Shoot.
Δεν παίρνει 5, αλλά παίρνει... Ναι, παίρνει 5 βασικά. Παίρνει 3 και άμα βγάλει το ξύλο παίρνει 5.
He takes out the safety, that hunting restriction.
Yeah.
When that one hunting, what's his face, those guys walking around, and they stop you to check if you only got 3. It's
Θα βάζει τους στόχους ξανά.
for the animals. Because those guys who go over there, they load up and they just spray them down.
I'm not even going to hit it.
And if that happens, supposedly
Let's give it a big pumpkin up here.
they fine you.
Άστο pumpkin. Άστο τώρα.
They take away your FOID card.
Έλα Γιάννη.
Κατάλαβες? Yes, Dad. I've shot a gun before.
Hang on. Just wait.
Α, θα σου βάλω και μια κολοκύθα.
Hello, Jeff.
That's a fun piece, though.
Oh, yours forget it.
You know what? I gotta take your Beretta photo. Hey, listen. Let's be serious. This is really cool.
Those are nice.
You know what I mean? When you get the and it's not easy.
Oh, I know, dude. I'm proud that you even shot the one you did.
Ναι,
Or the two you did.
απλώς ξεχνάς ότι έχει μέσα 3. So μπορεί να το ξεχάσεις ότι έχει μέσα 3 και να ρίξεις πουθενά και να είναι άδειο το. Όπως έπαθα. Αυτό έχει. Γιατί είναι πολύ εύκολο να φύγουν και 3.
Pana, how'd you shoot, alright?
Παναγιώτη, kill this thing. Boom, 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 boom.
Είναι ωραίο αυτό.
Don't get them too excited γιατί θα τον βρούνε στο high school. They're gonna try to sign him up.
Sign me up for what?
You never had recruiters at your high school, the army guys? Oh man. So Strato, they almost took him on us.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, he was ready to go. No, they ask you and they say, you know, you're indestructible, you're going to be our hero, Navy SEAL. So Strato είχε υπογράψει. My dad went over there and goes, you guys don't
Έλα Γιάννη.
So they got a κορυδέψει, dude. He was ready to go to the middle, the guys came in the house. Those recruiting guys, it's that, yeah.
Γιάννη, όχι στη μύτη σου.
I know.
Okay?
Close.
Close, left.
Hey, nice hit.
Μπράβο Γιάννη.
Another hit.
Μπράβο Γιάννη.
Another hit. Another hit. Another hit.
Μπράβο Γιάννη.
Another hit.
Μπράβο Γιάννη.
Μπράβο Γιάννη.
Γιάννη.
Μπράβο Γιάννη. Μπράβο Γιάννη. Υπολογίζει το βαρό. Μπράβο. Εντάξει το καημένο. Γιάννη.
Τελείωσε.
So far it's the winner.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Come on.
Ναι Γιάννη.
6 out of 10.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Ωραία, άδειασε.
no.
Ρίξε.
Έχει πολλές αυτό.
Μπράβο Γιάννη. Μπράβο.
Yeah.
That's the best part, dude.
Back driver.
He's good.
He keeps hitting the same spot.
Ο Γιάννης είναι καλύτερο μέχρι στιγμής.
He's using the scope. You won. Okay.
Good job.
Ωραία, λάκ τώρα γιατί δεν ξέρεις άμα σου μείνει καμία τέτοια.
Okay. Well, it's empty when you drop the clip, right? Drop the clip.
Always.
Μίτσο, δεν ρίχνει το όπλο,
Δεν ρίχνει.
Are you out, John?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice, man. I like it.
Τον είδες, Γιάννη Διαμαντή?
Το είδα.
Are you serious? I was the only one.
Την έφερες κάτω.
Yeah.
Hey, talk.
Hey, what?
You're up.
Έλα. Δεν σε πρόλαβα να το βγάλω.
For this thing. 50 pounds. At Walmart.
Δεν νομίζω ότι έχει άλλη. Έχει.
23? 45.